I would like to say something. Actually, it is a very wise decision for me to go for the course. I have taken many analysis related to SAP or PMP or whatever the other courses available for me. I'm in a managerial position, having 15 years of experience in mechanical background currently, but I'm still confused what to do. But after the 2 days of your presentation skills and your confidence about your whatever you have the knowledge, it is really very appreciated, sir. And we are fortunate actually that I got the badge from your side. I follow up lots of things to the Rasul related to your badge, so I have cancelled my some personal commitment for this batch only. So I'm looking forward to have more support related to career guidance in future, and having some curriculum, whatever changes I need to do in my CV so that I can expand my career in IT as well as in mechanical field.